families. It's Jen from Tri-State Hospital again, and I have here my two daughters, Hadley and Kaya. And today we are talking about juice and smoothie pops, because juice and smoothie pops can be a healthier option for a snack, as long as you use the right ingredients. So here we have 100% juice. We're actually using 100% orange passion fruit juice. We're also using a low-fat yogurt for smoothie pop. And these girls have picked out a few different fruits. We have a tropical blend with some strawberries and pineapple and mango, and we have some peaches and sweet cherries. Okay, so Kaya, what I want you to go ahead and do is we have about a half cup of yogurt in that, and I'll give you a recipe that goes for a larger blender, and that would be about 2.5 cups of frozen fruit, 3/4 cups of fat-free or light yogurt, and 1.5 cups of orange juice, okay? So because we're doing a smaller portion, we're just using about a half cup of the yogurt. And then Kaya's just putting in some of her fruit of choice. So she's using the cherries here. Go ahead and put some more in there. And I think if I were making it, I would do a cherry and peach blend, because that sounds really, really good. But really, you could use any frozen fruits from the grocery store that you choose. You could use mango, whatever sounds good to you. You could even use your fresh fruits, because after all, you're gonna freeze it. So, okay, Kaya, that looks good. So now what we're going to do is we will pour a little bit of the orange juice in there. Hadley, do you want to pour some of that orange juice in the cup for me?
Sure.
Okay. And I will tell you when to stop. I think we'll just go the top of that black line. Do you see where that black line is?
Yeah.
Okay. So for some of this, you may want to use an adult. Definitely when you're using the blender, you want to use an adult. That's good, Hattie. And what we're going to do is we'll blend this up. And then you see we have these little popsicle sticks. We'll put the popsicle sticks in the ice cube tray in each of those sections. And then we will throw them in the freezer. And tomorrow, or even in a couple hours, will be some nice smoothie pops. So we'll see you soon. Hey guys, I have Kaya here, and we are enjoying yogurt pops. How is it, Kaya?
Good.
Good? So if you have a parent that wants to cut the popsicle sticks in half, that might go over a little bit better. These sticks are kind of long with the ice cubes, but either way is fine. You could also use a toothpick if you wanted to. That might not be long enough, but you can just kind of play around with it. And it has yogurt, and so you're getting some protein in it. It has fruit, so you're getting lots of vitamins and minerals, and we used 100% juice in this as well. So very, very healthy, and it's a good way to cool off in the summer. All right, until next time, bye guys.